Welcome back. Let's move on to the next problems. If x is an integer such that x plus 1 by x is equal to 17 by 4, find the value of x minus 1 by x. Okay. Whenever this kind of reciprocal is given, directly you can square it. That is x plus 1 by x whole square will be equal to x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 into x into 1 by x. So this will get cancelled here. So finally we will get x square plus 1 by x square plus 2. Similarly, x minus 1 by x whole square will be equal to x square plus 1 by x square minus 2. Now using this we can find out the value of x minus 1 by x. Now we can subtract the first equation from second equation. Therefore, x plus 1 by x whole square minus x minus 1 by x whole square is equal to 2 minus of minus 2. This is equal to 4 because here x square and 1 by x square will get cancelled. 1 minus 2. Okay. Now we shall substitute the value. X plus 1 by x is 17 by 4. That is 17 by 4 square minus x minus 1 by x whole square is equal to 4. We shall rearrange here. 17 by 4 whole square minus 4 is equal to x minus 1 by x. Therefore, x minus 1 by x is equal to 17 square is 17 into 17, 49, 1 7 is 7, 1 1, 17, 289. So this is equal to 289 by 16 minus 4. This is equal to 289 minus 4 into 16 is 64 divided by 16. 289 minus 64 is equal to 5 to 225. 225 divided by 16. This is x minus 1 by x whole square. Now we have to find out the value of x minus 1 by x. Taking square root on both sides, we will get x minus 1 by x is equal to, this is 15 square and this is 4 square. This will be 15 by 4. The answer is C, 15 by 4. Next question. A zookeeper counted the heads of the animals in the zoo and found it to be 80. When he counted the legs of the animals, he found it to be 260. If the zoo had either pigeons or horses, how many horses were there in the zoo? Let x represents horses and y represents pigeons. As per the first condition, they are saying the total number of heads is 80. That is x plus y is equal to 80. Next, when he counted the legs, he found out to be 260. Therefore, total legs is equal to 260. It means horses have 4 legs, 4 into x plus pigeons have 2 legs, 2 into y is equal to 260. We can divide by 2, 2x plus y is equal to 130. So this is the first equation and this is the second equation. 2 minus 1 will give you x is equal to 130 minus 80. X will be equal to 50. They are asking how many horses were in the zoo. We got the answer x is equal to 50. Option B. Next question. Given that 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus goes on till 10 square is equal to 385. The value of 2 square plus 4 square plus 6 square plus it goes on till 20 square is equal to. Okay. Here we can see all the values are multiplied by 2 square. Therefore, 2 square plus 4 square plus 6 square plus 20 square. This is equal to 1 square into 2 square plus 2 square into 2 square plus 3 square into 2 square. It goes on till 2 square into 10 square. So here we can see the common term is 2 square, which we can take it outside. So this is equal to 2 square into 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus goes on till 10 square. Now directly we can substitute this value in place of this brackets. This is equal to 4 into 385. 4 5s are 22, 4 8s are 32, 34, 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 3 15. So the answer is 1540, option C. Next question. Here 4 expressions are given and we have to find out which is matching with each other. Let us solve. First expression. This is 3 by 4 divided by 5 by 6. This can be written as 3 by 4 divided by 5 by 6, which is 3 by 4 into 6 by 5. We can take 6 to the numerator. We can cancel by 2. This is 2 times, this is 3 times. Therefore, the first one is 9 by 10. We can also write a by b divided by x by y as a by b into y by x. Because when you want to convert this division to multiplication, we can reverse the second term. So it will be a by b into y by x. Okay, now let us solve the second expression. Here 4 divided by 5 is in the brackets, so we have to solve that first. 3 divided by 4 by 5 again divided by 6. This is equal to 3 divided by 4 by 5 into 6. This will be 2 times, this will be 3 times. This is 3 divided by 2 by 15. Or as per this, we can reverse the second term. 3 into 15 by 2, which is 45 by 2. So 1 and 2 are not equal. First option is not there. Next, third one. Here you have to solve the terms which are inside the brackets as first. 3 divided by 4 by 5 divided by 6. First you have to solve the term inside the bracket. This is 3 into 5 by 4 divided by 6. This is equal to 15 by 4 divided by 6. This can be written as 15 by 4 into 1 by 6 or 15 by 4 into 6. We can divide by 3. This will be 5 times and this will be 2 times. This is equal to 5 by 8. So 1 and 3 are also not equal. Next, last one. 3 divided by 4 divided by 5 divided by 6. This can be written as 3 divided by 4 divided by 5 by 6. So this again can be written as 3 divided by 4 divided by 5 by 6. It means 3 is divided by 4 at first and then 5 by 6 next. 3 divided by 4 divided by 5 by 6. This is equal to 3 by 4 into 6 by 5, which again is 2, 3, 9 by 10. So the answer is 1 and 4 are equal. Both are having 9 by 10 as the answer. Option C. Next question. If the expression given is simplified, we get which answer? Here you have to solve this big expression using BODMAS rule. That is, we have to solve bracket first, followed by of, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. We shall solve this expression. 2 and half of 3 by 4 into 1 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 bracket 2 by 3 minus 1 by 2 of 2 by 3 can be written as 1 by 2 into 2 by 3. This can get cancelled. So it is 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3. We shall rewrite this equation. 2 and half of 3 by 4 can be written as 5 by 2 of 3 by 4, that is into 3 by 4 into 1 by 2. This term will be same, divided by 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 into, this is 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3, that is 1 by 3. Here we can cancel this 3 together. Here we cannot cancel anything, so we shall write it as 5 3s are 15 divided by 2 4s are 8, 8 2s are 16 divided by 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 2. Here if you see, we have to club these two terms together and these two terms together, and finally you have to add them both. So 15 by 16 divided by 3 by 2 is nothing but 15 by 16 into 2 by 3. Next, plus 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 2 is 1. So now we shall try to solve them. This will be 8 times and this will be 5 times. So finally it is 5 by 8 plus 1. This is equal to 13 by 8. 13 by 8 can be written in mixed fraction. 1 8 is 8, balance is 5. So this is nothing but 1 5 by 8. The answer is option C, 1 5 by 8. We will finish the remaining problems in next lecture. Thank you.